Let's talk about individual non-joint sponsorship for a registered apprenticeship. So I want to tell you about a time when I was able to register an employer. It was an interesting dynamic because I started with being introduced to the employer at a forum in Pennsylvania. I was doing a presentation on the benefits of apprenticeship, particularly this entry-level program for machine operators in a manufacturing setting. I met a training manager from a paper products manufacturer. Their shop was totally automated. They even had a robotic forklift driver and that carried pallets from the assembly line to the shipping department. It was hard for them to find candidates with the right skill sets, and they were experiencing a high rate of turnover. Apprenticeship just seemed to be the remedy for them. At the time, I was working on a United States Department of Labor grant to promote this particular program, the Industrial Manufacturing Technician, or IMT. This apprenticeship was designed for entry-level machine operators in plastics, metal, and food processing manufacturing. The content, the work process, included shop math, communication, quality control, and an introduction to the manufacturing industry to prepare the apprentice for promotion into the more skilled occupations such as electrical and mechanical maintenance. So you can see it created a career ladder. It even included train the trainer sessions to promote on the job learning by having their journey workers or their mentors be prepared to be able to, for the knowledge transfer, for helping with that on the job training. The training manager was so enthusiastic, his team followed up with a meeting a few weeks later at one of their plants. I met with their operation managers and their training team to go over the details for choosing the type of sponsorship and how to customize the IMT program to fit their work process. Since the facility had many automated processes, they thought it might not be shared with other employers in the region. They decided to have an individual, non-joint registered apprenticeship. It seemed like a good fit since they needed to customize the work process to meet their employer-specific skill requirements for this highly automated manufacturing process. There was a group sponsorship in the region, but it was focused on the metal trades, and they didn't think they would benefit from that. So they stayed with an individual, non-joint sponsorship for their apprenticeship.